I'm a working mom of 3, and because of the pandemic, not only am I working from home, but my school-age children are participating in remote learning. We've rearranged our house so we each have designated workspaces. I'm shoved into the corner of my bedroom with virtually no desk space. I am elated to welcome Drew Phillips from Staples to help me transform my home so we can make working from home work.
And I'm really excited to help you upgrade your home workspaces. Families like yours are really looking to find productive ways to work and learn from home and stay focused. And we've got some inspiring solutions that can help you do just that.
So what are some things that we should keep in mind when creating a good work from home space?
3 things: connectivity, productivity, and wellness. And really, chair, that's the foundation of a great setup. So let's start there. This is our Dexley chair. It is absolutely ready for 8 hours a day.
Okay.
So why don't you take a seat and I'll tell you about the chair.
Okay.
The arms just up and down, and you've got lumbar support in the back to help you maintain good posture throughout the day on all of your calls.
This is a comfortable chair. I could sit here all day.
You could, but I've got a lot of great things to show you, so I think we should get to it. It's really important for your family to have Wi-Fi that they can trust and rely on and love. One of the best ways to do that is introducing a mesh Wi-Fi system called Whole Home Wi-Fi from Orbi. And if you're not ready to upgrade to a whole home mesh system, you can add a range extender like TP-Link to the parts of your house where you're just not getting a great signal. So many people are really missing dual monitors when they're not in the office. But we've got a lot of great options like these HP monitors that allow anybody to add that functionality of multitasking and productivity to their home setup. We've got Next Technology speakerphones and headsets. And depending on your setup, you're out in the open like this, headset's a great option. If you're in a closed office, crystal clear audio on the speakerphone. The Logitech Brio Cam has 4K video, which means you're gonna look great on camera. And I also brought you a printer. This is the HP Officejet Pro. It's an all-in-one multifunction printer.
In the past, if I have had to print lots of things, I just go to Staples.
Did you know you can actually place your order right from here, even within the Microsoft Office apps, and send your order for pickup in store?
Super easy. What are some things that we can keep in mind to maintain our health and well-being?
You want to make sure that you have devices like the Logitech keyboard and the mouse, which change your posture of your hands to reduce strain and fatigue on your arms and wrists. And since we don't want you sitting all day, we brought you a standing desk. This is electric and motor driven, so with one touch of a button, you can go from sitting to standing and then back.
Well, I spend a lot of time in the kitchen with my family, so can we figure something out there?
I have got some great ways to do that. So this is a portable desktop riser. It allows you to keep your arms at a 90-degree angle. You want to keep them parallel, and that's going to help you maintain posture throughout a long workday. You can also sit in a chair that's height adjustable to bring you up a little bit higher. Blue light blocking glasses will also help you reduce eye strain and fatigue. This new product from Hydrate actually syncs with your watch and your phone to track automatically how much water you're drinking. We've got a lot of great solutions for you to be able to add power to any island, tabletop, or surface with a surge protector like this that fits in as a little bit more modern looking. You can plug USBs right in. When it comes time for dinner, I know you're gonna wanna clean this out, get the whole family in here. But speaking of different spaces, there was one setup that I saw before we got here that I think we can improve on for you.
Are you talking about the corner of my bedroom, Drew?
I am.
Drew, this looks beautiful.
As promised, your ring light.
I appreciate that. I love how it's compact and it can sit there in the corner.
Well, this is the Yeti Blue microphone, and your podcasts are never gonna sound better. This is part of our mid-mod collection from Union and Scale. And mid-mod is all about fitting in with your home decor. It's got beautiful style, and this walnut finish, as well as the cream chair with brass base, just looks gorgeous.
I love that you thought of me and my love of organizing when you put this together. My daughter is currently attending virtual school underneath her lofted bed, right beside her baby brother in his crib. And my older son is working from a small desk in his bedroom. So what can I and other parents do to create an environment that's more conducive to learning?
We totally upgraded his space. New desk, a new chair, and a whole new setup for his computer.
One of the biggest struggles of the pandemic has been keeping my house stocked. Luckily, Staples offers more than just office supplies. They have a lot of household items as well. Staples makes it easy for me to shop based on my comfort level, from local stores to online and next day delivery. Staples also provides corporate accounts for any size business. To learn more, visit staples.com or designingspaces.tv.